Welcome to This Explainer. Today we're taking a fascinating look under the hood of a modern beauty brand. We're going to see exactly how a company takes hardcore biological science, specifically the deep mechanics of skin barrier repair, and seamlessly translates all of that into a flawless, clinical luxury design system. We're breaking down the official packaging, design, and execution plan for AMAZIA Skincare, a brand gearing up for a 2026 launch in the premium markets of Pakistan and the GCC. And let me tell you, it is an absolute masterclass in how every single detail, from exact pH levels all the way down to the texture of the tissue paper, is meticulously engineered to build total consumer trust. Here is our roadmap for today. 1. The AMAZIA brand identity. 2. Formulating barrier support. 3. Designing clinical luxury. And 4. The unboxing experience.
Section 1. The AMAZIA brand identity. Precision over everything. Okay, let's dive into this. Executing a clinical luxury skincare brand in today's market requires absolute precision. You can't just throw some pretty colors together and call it a day. During this brand's design phase, early AI brainstorming prompts actually contained some crucial errors. They spelled the brand AMAZIA with an E instead of AMAZIA with an A, and mislabeled the core product as a barrier repair hydration serum instead of its verified clinical name, Barrier Support Serum. Now you might be thinking, well, those are just tiny typos, right? No way. In the world of clinical skincare, consistency is literally everything. If your naming isn't perfectly cross-checked from day one, you lose that essential medical-grade authority before the bottle is even printed. So to stop those exact errors dead in their tracks, the brand uses a fascinating verification document. It acts as the ultimate blueprint. Think of it like the master key that integrates a cross-check report, a corrected master AI prompt, and platform-specific 3D render briefs all in one single place. It exists for one reason and one reason only: to resolve any conflicts between creative brainstorming and the hardcore real-world execution plan. This guarantees that when a manufacturer or an investor looks at a brief, they're seeing the verified, mathematically precise reality of the product. Flawless execution right down the line.
Section 2. Formulating barrier support. The science of the shield.
So, what does this all mean for the actual product? Well, effectively treating so-called sensitive skin isn't about marketing magic. The biological science of the skin barrier teaches us that much of what we casually call sensitive skin is actually a myth. You might not inherently have sensitive skin at all. You very likely just have a biologically compromised barrier. And the absolute first step to fixing that is optimizing your pH. AMAZIA specifically engineered their formula to sit exactly in the 5.2 to 5.5 optimized pH range. That is the natural, slightly acidic state of truly healthy skin. Calling this out is a massive differentiator. It ensures the formula safely supports the skin barrier, setting it miles apart from local competitors who honestly often just ignore foundational cosmetic chemistry altogether. To physically rebuild that lipid shield, the brand relies on a highly rigorous 8-ingredient active profile that's strictly mandated by the execution plan, and these specific actives are non-negotiable. For example, Ceramide complex at exactly 1.5% acts literally like mortar between your skin cells to patch up microscopic holes, while 0.5% Ectoin acts as a powerful stress protection molecule for the skin. Combined with 4% panthenol and other heavy hitters, these exact verified concentrations are clinically required for genuine, long-lasting skin resilience. It is, quite literally, the science of the shield.
But you can't just slap a chemistry textbook on a bottle, right? All of that dense, complex biology is ultimately distilled down into a primary brand tagline: restore, repair, reveal. This succinct little quote, which sits beautifully on the outer box, encapsulates the entire biological mission of the serum. It perfectly translates the heavy cosmetic chemistry of ceramides and optimized pH into a deeply resonant, memorable consumer promise.
Section 3. Designing clinical luxury. Translating science to aesthetics.
Having the best formulation in the world means absolutely nothing if the consumer doesn't trust it at first glance. So let's look at how that hardcore science translates into a visually stunning aesthetic. The foundation relies on a highly specific editorial beauty palette. First up, Ivory White, which communicates a clean, clinical slate. Next, AMAZIA Teal, which establishes a really authoritative brand identity. And finally, Champagne Gold provides that high-end, premium luxury accent. Together, they effortlessly bridge the gap between a sterile dermatology clinic and a high-end luxury spa.
And this brilliantly illustrates how that palette is applied directly to the bottle. The front label features a strict visual hierarchy designed to mimic high-end European pharmaceuticals. Your eye cascades from the elegant Cormorant Garamond logo down to the Playfair display product name and right into the clean DM Sans ingredient callouts. This kind of typographic discipline subconsciously screams to the buyer, we are sophisticated, we are serious, and we are completely transparent. But remember, design must always answer to science. When the label calls out Ectoin 0.5%, it isn't just a graphic designer making things look pretty. It's rigorously cross-checked against the actual manufacturing phase plan to ensure that ingredient is truly present at clinical levels. It is the perfect marriage of form meeting function.
However, even with an airtight, beautifully verified plan, a brand still has to navigate the messy realities of manufacturing. There are always strategic choices the founder has to make. For instance, do they go with a soft ivory frosted bottle or pivot to a dark amber glass for better UV protection? Do they invest heavily in premium direct silkscreen printing, which massively increases minimum order quantities? Or do they compromise with a high-quality, matte, no-label look sticker? These are those tense, behind-the-scenes decisions where the desire for absolute perfection meets practical business constraints.
Section 4. The unboxing experience. Delivering the promise. This brings us to the moment of truth. How does the physical delivery reinforce all that clinical authority before the user even touches the glass? Well, when the premium rigid mailer box is opened, the very first thing the consumer sees is a powerful, science-led message printed right inside the lid. Healthy skin begins with a protected barrier. Before they even see the bottle, an authoritative tone is set. It immediately reminds them of the biological mission, reinforcing that they haven't just bought a standard cosmetic, they've invested in a real dermatological solution.
From there, the unboxing turns into a journey of tactile luxury. The outer carton features a matte, soft-touch lamination with a beautiful debossed texture. Inside, the product is wrapped in ivory tissue paper, featuring a subtle, artfully folded teal wave pattern, and it's all closed up with a premium champagne gold circular seal sticker. It's not just packaging, it's a whole editorial beauty experience designed to make the user feel pampered, while simultaneously signaling ultra-high quality.
But AMAZIA also masters the art of post-purchase engagement. Tucked inside this beautiful unboxing is a minimalist luxury thank you card. You turn it over and boom, a QR code links directly to a skin barrier guide PDF on their website. It is such a brilliant way to bridge the physical luxury experience with ongoing digital education about barrier health.
As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a provocative question based on everything we've just unpacked. Will the future of skincare belong to the chemists who simply formulate the best science, or will it belong to brands like AMAZIA who can meticulously package that hardcore science into an absolutely flawless, emotionally resonant luxury experience? Looking at the market today, it's pretty clear that you really can't have one without the other. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive. Keep learning, keep questioning, and I'll see you in the next explainer.